Welcome back to our channel. So here is the part 2 of the trending side drape tutorial. So let me show you how I achieved this lovely dress. So go check out the part 1 of this tutorial to watch the cutting and the drafting process. Okay, so here is the back. So here is the back of the dress. So I'll place it together. Then I use I cut the facing for it. Okay, you can also cut lining of this if you need lining, but I decided to use facing, okay, for this front part. So I'll bring this is the back, I'll bring the front. Okay, so this is the front. I'll place them together like so. And I'll also place the facing. I'll go to my sewing machine to sew the facing around the neckline of the dress. Okay, so I am Delicious Favor, your online sewing tutor. So I'll take it to the sewing machine to sew the facing to my neckline. Then I'll also sew the armhole line, and I'll also sew the side seam. Okay, I'll join the front and the back side seams together. So here is the side drapes. Okay, so here is the side drapes. So after sewing the top, I'm going to be sewing the side drapes to the front fabric. Okay, so I'm done sewing the front and the back together. You can see this is the back. Okay, so I will turn it to the right side like so. So here is the side drapes here. So I'll be placing the midpoint of the side drapes to the side seam. Okay, then I'll sew it to the back and also sew it to the front. Okay, so if you like this tutorial, please give this video a big thumbs up and let me know where you are watching from. Okay, so I've taken my dress to the sewing machine. So I'll place the midpoint of the side drapes to the side seam, the midpoint of the side seam. Okay, then I'll start pleating it upwards. I'll start pleating it. Okay, I'll be pleating it like so, and I'll sew it. So if you like this tutorial, so do well to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Okay, so I'll keep pleating it like so. I'll keep pleating it to the end. So I'm done pleating one side of the side drapes to my lycra. So I'll turn it to the other side and also start pleating. Okay, so just take your time when doing this. You see, make sure that you are pleating it upward so that it will drape well on your body. So I'm done pleating, so I'll just cut it out. So I'll repeat the same process off camera. Okay, so after sewing it, so I'll take it to the table so you see how far I've done. So see the side drape. Okay, so I'm done sewing the two. So what I'll do is I'm going to be sewing the front. Okay, I'll join it into two like so. Then I'll go and sew 1/2 inch all the way down. So this is the front. So for the back, I'll just join it like so. I'll just sew and stop like 10 inches because I need it to be so I can be able to walk properly. Okay, so I'll go and sew it off camera. So you see, I've already sewn the front, so you see how it is so beautiful. So I'll turn it to the back. So I've already sewn the back also. So yeah, I'll just go and sew the zip to the back. So here is the vents, the back vents, so I can be able to walk easily. So after sewing the zip, okay, then I'll display it on my mannequin so you see. So here is the final look of our side drapes trending dress. So let me know if you will try out this lovely dress.